Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen ochiwo siem mager ne jok machano kelo tulo e kinde yiero madundo odiechieng' ma kiny. Kaluwore gi Murkomen, tend arita kwe oketo okenge moridore mar neno ni arita ni kare kendo ng'ato ang'ata mokelo tulo e kinde yiero ibiro maki kendo ibiro kawne okang' mager mar chik.
We also know that in the run-up to these elections, which is going to happen tomorrow, we have witnessed cases of violence between campaign teams and competitors. And we also know that I was here just a few months ago on the issues of security. And we know that this region has continued to witness the challenges that are related with goods. There is a rising phenomenon where it's not just this region, but all over the country. We have a by-elections in Nairobi, we have it here, we have in Bere, we have in Western, in Kakamega, and also in Bungoma. And there is a rising behavior where aspirants are utilizing the services of goons to intimidate their opponents. I must say this, that we want to restore the confidence of the people of Kenya in the electoral process by making sure that these by-elections are peaceful and that they are being managed by the National Police Service, not by goons. I see many as aspirants and their supporters across the country saying that, and I saw even a leader of one of the political parties saying will be out there to protect our vote. There is no responsibility given to any civilian to protect any vote. All civilians, all voters, all Kenyans have a right to vote. Provision of security is the preserve of the National Police Service. And I must warn everyone, all those people who are preparing to bring goons to polling stations and tallying centers, I warn you that you will face the full force of the law. The National Police Service is prepared to arrest all goons, all criminals, all persons who are intending to disrupt peaceful elections in our country. I must assure the people of Kenya that from these by-elections and all the way to the next general elections, the people of Kenya must know that the National Police Service will impartially protect them to ensure that everybody can express